What's going on, you guys? Carter Pro here with another video. Today I'm going to show you the dbrand skin I chose to put on my phone. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I picked the Teardown Skin, you guys, from dbrand. It's a pretty cool skin. You get to see exactly what your phone will look like on the inside if you were just to take away the back glass. So if you look up, there's a lot of details. You see the battery, the ribbon cables, camera modules. I think it's really cool to see that. It gives a little bit of character to the back of your phone instead of just being able to look at the front. And when you have a lot of new phones like this, they're all black, just like this one it was before I put the skin on. And it was pretty boring before. It's more interesting now. Now, one thing that you guys will like about this, especially if you have the S20 Ultra like me, it really covers up the back glass on the camera. Now it's really thin glass, probably the weakest part of the phone. So it's good just to get that little extra protection there. Also, to get a case, now you can see there's no case on this phone, which makes it feel good. You do have that little added protection in the back, but I wouldn't just trust that, so you want to add a case. Now with the case, you don't want to cover up any of the design that you just put on the back of your phone, so add a clear case. So the clear case, you can put that on, you get the extra protection all the way around your phone, but you can still see the pattern, the story, the design on the back of the phone, which is awesome. Now you guys, this was my dbrand case. I just wanted to share it with everybody. I really like it. If you have a different one that you maybe like better, one that's interesting to you, put comments below. I'd love to see those. Or comment on mine, what do you think about it? Otherwise, thank you all for watching with this quick video with me. Peace out. See ya in the next one.